Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video from Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to use ClickUp Docs into your ClickUp application. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to access or use ClickUp Docs, you just simply have to open your ClickUp application at first, and after opening the application into this home page, you will see this 3 bar into the top left corner. And after tapping into the 3 bar, you will get to see so many options, and one of them is Docs. Now, in order to access, just simply tap into that Docs option and you can see all of the docs that you have into your ClickUp account. Just simply tap which one you want, and into there you can easily access, open or read the docs and also edit them by tapping into this pencil icon. This is all you have to do in order to use ClickUp Docs into your device. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.